Okay, I want to talk to you about what you're going to do when you log into Big Ideas. You'll make your way to the assignments where you can see in the top middle, and here are your two assignments for today. You see that they both are a quiz prep, practice on 10.1, practice on 10.2. Over here on the right is where you'll log in. My screen's a little bit different, but I want to show you what you're doing today. I'm going to preview the assignment without the answers. So, first question, stem and leaf. The key for a stem and leaf plot is the 3, a line, and a 4, which equals 34. They want to know which number is the stem and which number is the leaf in reference to that number, 3/4. Well, if you think the 3 is the stem, you would put it here. If you think 4 is the stem, you would put it here, and you would put the other number here where the leaf is. If you scroll down to a stem and leaf, you see which numbers are on the left side of the line and which numbers are on the right side of the line, and there's a label at the top to tell you which each one is. When we do move on to 4, 5, 6, and 7, you're going to complete the stem and leaf chart. On the stem side, I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the leaf side, I have the numbers that I have to fill in. So let's look at for all the numbers with nothing in the stem column. Well, we can see 9 is the only single digit number, so I would place a 9 there. Then I'm looking for the numbers that are in the teens or that begin with 1. I see a 15, a 17, and a 19. I see they gave me the 1/5 for 15 and the 1/9 for 19, so I need to put in the missing one, and that's how I'll proceed with the rest of the problems. 10.2, working with histograms. Review without answers. So it says make a tally chart and a bar graph of the data. Here is where they're talking about the tally chart. So interval. We know on a histogram that intervals are the numbers that are listed across the bottom. The intervals all need to be the same value, the same amount of numbers. They have given you a hint on your intervals. If the first interval is 0 to something and the next one begins with a 10, this would have to be a 9. And then you would figure out what goes here, 10 to what? And then 20, then blank to 29. So first you need to figure out the 3 intervals. They're right there in the histogram across the bottom. But I didn't tell you that. You need to figure that out on your own. And you'll complete this problem. Again, same thing here. Follow the clues. But they're right there. But I didn't tell you that. And you'll continue doing the same thing. Then we begin to, that's when we get to here. Now they give us the intervals and they give us the frequency. The intervals are these ranges of numbers on the left, which also match up to those ranges. 1 through 5, 1 through 5. So your job is to simply find the frequency and make the bar graph as tall as it needs to be based on the number here. That's all you got to do today. Today is a pretty easy day. We're going to test on this stuff on Monday, so please pay attention. Remember, you get 3 clicks to be able to come up with the right answer. So if you get it wrong, go back and you have a second chance and you have a third chance. Use the videos if you need to, and have a great weekend.